Hello, FashionHerbs family. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that can truly transform your interaction: the power of first impression. Whether it's a job interview, a social gathering, or simply meeting someone new, those initial moments can set the stage for everything that follows. Think about it. How often have you formed an opinion about someone within the first few seconds of meeting them? We all do it. And that's why making a positive first impression is so vital. It's not about being fake or putting on a show. It's about presenting your best self authentically. So, how do we make a lasting impact? Let's break it down. Stand tall, make eye contact, and offer a genuine smile. Your body language speaks volumes before you even say a word. A firm handshake, a clear and warm greeting, and remembering their name can go a long way. Your attire should reflect the occasion and your personal style. It's about presenting yourself in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Basic etiquette, like saying please and thank you, shows respect and consideration. Remember, making a great first impression is about being genuine and authentic. It's about showing respect and kindness to others. It's about being present in the moment and making a connection. By mastering the art of first impressions, you'll not only enhance your social and professional life, but you'll also boost your self-confidence. So, go out there and make a lasting impact. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to FashionHerbs for more tips on elegance, etiquette, and self-improvement. And remember, you'll always have fresh content to discover. See you next time.